Earth's master builders you didn't know existed. First, like and subscribe if this cat is cute. If not, this spider will come to your bed tonight. Number 3. Weaver bird. These incredible birds weave intricate nests using grass and leaves. Some nests are so strong they can last for years. Number 2. Termites. Tiny but impressive, termites build towering mounds with natural ventilation systems that help regulate temperature inside their colonies. Number 1. Beaver. Nature's ultimate engineer. Beavers build massive dams using logs, branches, and mud, creating entire wetlands that can be seen from space.